missed this car. Top of the evening. Oh man, we haven't done a POV in a Lexus in a while. I wonder if you guys could even hear me good right now. Anyways, how's everybody doing? Hope you're all doing great. I've been in a fucking M8, never late, but now we're back in a Lexus, terrorizing these fucking neighborhoods. I just want to say, throughout this video, look at this goddamn foliage. These trees and all these leaves and everything just looks so magnificent. I forget how loud my car is. And then I remember when I fucking drive with the windows open. It sounds so nice. I wouldn't change anything about this car. I'm sure there's other exhausts that could make it sound a little better, but all it is basically just a muffler delete. It's unbelievable. I love these back roads too. Detour? What? Don't tell me I'm gonna have to go around. Oh, this one, okay. Roads are so nice until you get caught behind somebody. I just tinted my front windshield too, so hopefully nobody can see the camera on my head, cause I'm driving like a dickhead when I got this thing on me. Drive on these roads more often. Sorry. I fucking love these goddamn roads, yo. Holy shit. This fucking server is lit. Fucking around today, boys. Can't tell that boy nothing. I wish there was no cars here right now. He just dropped something. Something flew. Oh man. I should have just taken the back roads, to be honest. I think I might just cut out all this driving here and go back to the back roads, but taking these goddamn trees and these leaves, it's quite beautiful. I love this fucking highway. But lately it's just been so packed. So many people on the road, all times of day. I don't get it. Does not make sense to me. But what are you gonna do, you know? Stand a match. Oh, now he's acting like he's going. That ain't no STI, boy. Nah, I thought he was actually gonna do something. His car smells like shit, though. I know he's burning coils. I might be burning the spark plugs too, though. My shit smells like ass, yo. You know, I don't think this tune is good for the car, yo, this fucking RR racing tune. I just changed my spark plugs maybe 15,000 miles ago, or less. That shit smells like absolute ass. I thought that was a new M5 for a second. The new M5s are hideous, bro, and they sound like butt. I can't believe what they're doing, dude. I can't believe all the cars are going electric, man. And that's it, folks. I hope you enjoyed. Damn, the 35% is looking super clean. For the thumbnail. You know you gotta hit them angles on them like this. Like this. Boom, that's a thumbnail right there. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Those back roads were fucking lit. Damn, I haven't driven that car like this. I haven't driven this car like that. I just said that backwards. I haven't driven this car like that in so long. I'm so glad I went out today. It's so beautiful outside too. I got another one coming for you guys soon. I got to take advantage of these leaves still being on the trees. They look so amazing. If you guys made it this far, I appreciate you for watching. I got a lot more stuff coming. If you guys got anything you want me to do, I'm over here talking with my hands. Somebody's probably looking out the window like, what the hell? Anything you guys want to see, leave a comment down below. Otherwise, I appreciate you for watching. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace.